and welcome to another episode of Madame Wesley. And today in our maths lesson we're going to be looking at difference. And we're going to be looking at difference as a form of subtraction. So to start off our lesson today, we're actually going to count in our odd and even numbers. So on this side of my board, are these odd or even numbers? That's right, these ones are even. And on this side, I have my odd numbers. So let's first of all count in our even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, and now this time we're going to count in our odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Which ones did you find more tricky, counting in your even numbers or your odd numbers? Perhaps you found the odd numbers more tricky because we're used to counting in our twos when we do our 2 times table. I'd like you to practice your even and odd numbers at home so you get really used to counting in them, and it will help you when you do subtraction. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at part whole models, and we're going to represent, using cubes, little stories that I'm going to make up. So we're going to start off with the number. You can write this down on a whiteboard and pen if you wish. We're going to start off with the number 5. And this represents 5 sweeties. So we bought 5 sweeties in the shop. And I ate 2 of them really quickly. How many were left in the bag? I'll tell you that again. I went to the shop and I bought 5 sweeties. I bought 2 of them. I ate 2 of them really quickly. How many were left? So at the top I'm going to write my whole. So how many did I buy originally? I bought 5 sweeties. And then how many did I eat? I ate 2. How many sweeties were left? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to do some addition and subtraction questions using this part whole model. So let's start off with some addition. What addition sum would you know that you could use this information for? 2 add 3 equals 5. Or perhaps you might want to switch that around and write 3 add 2 equals 5. Now we could do a subtraction question. Perhaps we could start with 5 and take away 2. What would that give me? 5 take away 2 equals 3. And how about if I took away the 3 first? 5 take away 3 equals 5 take away 3 equals 2. Okay, let's do a different question. I went to the shop and I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lollies. I bought 8 ice lollies. So that's my total. So I'm going to write that here, 8. And I gave 4 to my sister. There you go. And how many did I have left? 4. So I had 8 to start with. I gave away 4 and I have 4 left. There we go. I wonder if you can write some addition and subtraction questions for this part whole model. Perhaps you could have 4 add 4 equals 8. You can't really switch that around because it's a double. And then you could make a subtraction. 8 take away 4 equals 8 take away 4 equals 4. Okay, and now my final one. This time I'm going to use 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I've got 10 cars. 10 cars in a car park. And then 3 people have to go home. How many would be left? How many cars would be left in the car park? So let's do that again. 10 cars in the car park. 3 go home. How many are left? 7. So we have 10 cars all together. 3 go home. 7 are left. Could you write some addition and subtraction questions around this whole module? Wow, so many different questions. So we've got 3 add 7 equals 10. 7 add 3 equals 10. 10 take away 7 equals 3. 10 take away 3 equals 7. Okay. We're now going to look at difference as being a form of subtraction. So, and for this I'm going to use Numicon. So the first subtraction question I'm going to write is 10 take away 6 equals. Now I'm going to show you this with Numicon. This is my 10 piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm taking away 6. I'm going to put my 6 on top of the 10. And you should see what the difference is. What is the difference? What am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do another one. So this time I have 6, take away 3. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3. See if you can do the last 3 questions by yourself. Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds to answer those questions. Give yourself a tick if you got it right. Now in your work packs, you will also have 2 sheets with difference as a form of subtraction. So now you can go away and have a go at that. Thank you very much for watching another episode of Madame Wesley.